The partial government shutdown is now the longest in U.S. history, with no clear end in sight. As hundreds of thousands of federal workers face another missed paycheck, the financial and emotional strain is reaching a breaking point. For many, this isn't just a political headline. It's a personal crisis unfolding in real time. We see them on the news, forming long lines at food banks, their faces etched with a mixture of anxiety and disbelief. These are dedicated public servants, traffic controllers, FBI agents, scientists, and administrative staff who, through no fault of their own, have been thrust into a state of profound uncertainty. Their stories are a stark reminder of how quickly financial stability can evaporate, transforming the security of a steady government job into a precarious balancing act. The impact ripples far beyond the individuals themselves. It touches their families, their communities, and the local economies that depend on their spending. Mortgages are going unpaid, credit card debt is mounting, and life-saving medications are being rationed. This shutdown has become a national stress test, exposing the financial vulnerability of a significant portion of the American workforce. Many live paycheck to paycheck with little to no emergency savings to cushion such a prolonged blow. The question on everyone's mind is no longer just when will it end, but how will we survive until it does? For those caught in this political crossfire, finding a way to navigate the financial turmoil has become a matter of sheer survival, a daily struggle to keep their lives from unraveling. The first and most critical step in weathering a financial storm like a job furlough is to take a hard, honest look at your financial situation. This means sitting down and creating a crisis budget, an austerity plan designed to stretch every single dollar. Start by listing all your essential monthly expenses: your mortgage or rent, utility bills, car payments, insurance premiums, and minimum payments on any existing debts. These are your non-negotiables, the bills that must be paid to keep a roof over your head and maintain essential services. Be meticulous. Go through your bank and credit card statements from the last few months to identify exactly where your money has been going. You might be surprised by how much is spent on known essentials. Once you have a clear picture of your fixed costs, the next step is to ruthlessly cut everything else. This is where difficult choices must be made. Subscriptions to streaming services, gym memberships, daily coffees, and dining out are the first things to go. It's not about permanent deprivation. It's about temporary triage. Explain the situation to your family, especially children, so they understand why discretionary spending is on hold. This isn't just about cutting costs. It's about shifting your mindset from one of abundance to one of conservation. Every dollar saved on a non-essential item is another dollar that can be allocated toward food, housing, or a critical utility bill. This process can be emotionally taxing, as it forces you to confront the fragility of your financial stability. But it is an absolutely vital step in regaining a sense of control amidst the chaos. Your goal is to reduce your monthly outflow to the bare minimum, creating a financial baseline that you can then work to cover. With a crisis budget in hand, your next priority is to proactively engage with your creditors. Do not wait for the bills to become overdue. The moment you know your income is stopped, pick up the phone and start making calls. Contact your mortgage lender, your auto loan provider, your credit card companies, and your utility providers. Many financial institutions have special hardship programs specifically for situations like a government shutdown. Be honest and direct about your circumstances. Explain that you are a furloughed federal employee and are temporarily unable to make your full payments. Ask them what options are available to you. Some may offer to defer payments, allowing you to skip a month or two, and add the amount to the end of your loan term. Others might agree to a temporary forbearance, a period where you are not required to make payments at all. For credit card companies, inquire about lowering your interest rate or setting up a temporary payment plan with reduced minimums. Similarly, utility companies like electricity, gas, and water providers may have programs to prevent service disconnection for non-payment during a declared emergency or hardship. Document every conversation. Note the date, the time, the name of the representative you spoke with, and exactly what was agreed upon. If possible, ask for the agreement in writing or via email. This creates a paper trail that can protect you later. Taking this initiative shows lenders that you are responsible and intend to meet your obligations as soon as you are able. It can prevent damage to your credit score and, more importantly, It can provide you with immediate financial breathing room, alleviating some of the immense pressure of impending due dates. This is not a time for pride or fear. It's a time for practical, assertive communication to protect your financial well-being. As the furlough drags on, you will need to explore all available avenues for temporary income and assistance. This is the time to activate your network and get creative. Start by looking for short-term or gig-based work. The gig economy offers a plethora of options that can provide a quick infusion of cash. Driving for a rideshare service like Uber or Lyft, delivering food for DoorDash or Grubhub, or running errands through an app like TaskRabbit can help bridge the income gap. These jobs often have flexible hours and a quick onboarding process, making them ideal for a temporary situation. Don't overlook your own skills and hobbies. If you're a talented writer, photographer, or graphic designer, look for freelance projects on platforms like Upwork or Fiverr. If you're good with your hands, you could offer handyman services in your neighborhood. Babysitting, pet sitting, or tutoring are also excellent ways to earn money locally. Simultaneously, you must research and apply for any and all aid you may be eligible for. The first stop should be your state's unemployment office. While rules can vary, many states have made exceptions to allow furloughed federal employees to collect unemployment benefits. The process can be bureaucratic and may take time, so it's crucial to apply as soon as possible. Beyond unemployment, numerous nonprofit organizations and charities have stepped up to offer assistance. Food banks and pantries are providing groceries to affected families, helping to reduce one of the most significant variable expenses. Organizations like the United Way and Catholic Charities often have emergency funds to help with rent or utility bills. Search online for government shutdown assistance in your specific city or county to find local resources. Credit unions, especially those that serve federal employees, have been at the forefront of the response, offering loans or zero-interest loans specifically for furloughed workers. Applying for aid can feel humbling, but these programs exist for precisely this reason, to provide a safety net when the unexpected happens. Swallow your pride and accept the help. It's a lifeline designed to keep you and your family afloat until your paychecks resume. Finally, while grappling with the immediate financial crisis, it's imperative to manage the immense psychological toll a furlough can take. The stress, anxiety, and uncertainty can be overwhelming, affecting not only you, but your entire family. Acknowledge that it's normal to feel angry, frustrated, or depressed. The key is not to let these emotions consume you. Find healthy outlets for your stress. Regular exercise, even just a brisk walk around your neighborhood, can do wonders for your mental state. Practice mindfulness or meditation to calm a racing mind. Maintaining a routine can also provide a crucial sense of normalcy and purpose in a period of chaos. Wake up at your usual time, get dressed, and structure your day. Dedicate specific blocks of time to job searching, managing finances, and household tasks. But also schedule time for relaxation and family activities. Lean on your support system. Talk openly with your spouse, partner, or a trusted friend about what you're going through. Sharing your worries can lessen the burden and remind you that you are not alone. Connect with other furloughed colleagues. They are experiencing the same anxieties and can offer unique camaraderie and practical advice. Many have formed online support groups and in-person meets to share resources and offer encouragement. If you find yourself struggling to cope, do not hesitate to seek professional help. Many community health centers offer low-cost or free mental health counseling. Remember, your mental and emotional well-being are just as important as your financial health. Protecting your state of mind is essential for making clear-headed decisions and having the resilience to navigate this challenge. This crisis will eventually end. The government will reopen, and back pay will be issued. The challenge is to emerge from this period not just financially intact, but with your spirit and your family relationships strengthened by the ordeal. You are more than your job, and your resilience in the face of this adversity will be the ultimate testament to your strength.